Hey YouTube family, how are you? Okay, so I haven't been on YouTube a long time, but I got a friend that is like every day. You got to get on YouTube. You got to get monetized. You got to get monetized. How in the heckity doodle am I going to get monetized? And I only have 302 subscribers. But I get all my business from YouTube. People come on here some way and they find my classes and they contact me and they take them. I may not have a lot of subscribers, but people like my videos. But y'all, let me say something. Oh, okay. Whew, okay, there's my stuff right there. Y'all, I feel like I almost need to go to counseling. This week, I cannot kick it. I cannot get off of YouTube. I'm on it. My phone is ringing, dinging, donging, ding. So-and-so's on here. Look who's doing this. I got some favorite folks on here. Every time they put a video, I'm like, oh, I like that. I like that. Look, here we go. Monetization. All these people is getting monetized. Some girl just make $9,000 a month. This one does something about you can do a blueprint. YouTube is monetizing small creators in 30 days. Upload one technique to get 10 times more views. Oh my God. Like I said, y'all, I got 302 folks that I guess like me. I don't know. Anyway, look, y'all, subscribe to me. Just subscribe. Make me feel good. I'm like, I want to get monetized, but I want to sell my product, which I'm doing, but I'm just getting excited. Okay, here we go. Here's somebody that's doing deliveries. Oh, look at these people doing the delivery. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Passive income. We all want that passive income. Okay, there you go. 9,000 a month. Niches that don't always fail. How to be a dispatcher. Best niches. Blah 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 blah. Monetize. Doo doo doo. Monetize. Doo doo doo. Okay, I'm losing it. Y'all, thanks for listening. I'm going to bed now. Bye YouTube. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good night.